Hello and welcome to another video. Today we have a Intertech B48 case and we will unbox it. Alright. Oops. Whoa. Small shock. So this is the front. Let's open it up. Alright. This is how it looks like inside. So apparently you can put some optical drives here if you want to, but you have to take the case out. It doesn't have the option to use the DVD or CD, so maybe you can only put, let's say, the hard drives. So apparently you can install only 120mm fans here. Let's open also the sideways. This is a really awesome feature that you can install 140mm fan, which is really cool. Here you can install 80mm fan or 120. Down here you can put your SSD drives. It is a full ITX case that you can install in this motherboard. Unfortunately, this side over here, it cannot let you put a very long GPU. This is the maximum, so probably only, let's say, 2 fan GPU you can install it. If you can see over here, and it's very little left. This is 1 fan GPU. Yeah, so 2 fan maximum up until here.